Hi everyone, welcome back to Chris Tech. If you are having trouble accessing a website, then clearing your browser cache might be the solution. Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you step by step how to clear your browser cache easily. Alright, now let's get started. So go ahead and open your Chrome browser, then top to this corner, then click on this three dots. Okay, then you head over to this place, click on delete browsing data. All right, then for the purpose of this video, we are meant to delete only cache, so I will uncheck this one, uncheck this one, uncheck this one. Okay, but if you want to delete browser history, you check the button. Then if you want to delete cookies, you check the button. Also, if you want to delete download history, you check the button. Okay, so I will leave only cached images and files. Okay, then after that, you go ahead and click on delete data. Okay, and everything will be solved. All right, so if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Bye for now.